Anime has been a major force in global entertainment. Diverse characters and stunning animation. However, like any industry, it has experienced both periods of immense success and phases of decline. This article explores the rise and fall of anime through key points. The late 20th century was a golden period for anime. With the rise of legendary studios like Studio Ghibli, Madhouse, and Sunrise. Some key factors behind this boom include classic films and series, titles like Akira, 1988, Ghost in the Shell, 1995, and Neon Genesis Evangelion, 1995, gained international recognition. Global expansion, the 1990s, saw anime spreading beyond Japan, reaching Western audiences through VHS tapes and early TV broadcasts. Cultural influence, anime-inspired video games, toys, and merchandise fueled its popularity worldwide. The 2000s marked an even greater surge in anime's global appeal, thanks to technological advancements and strong storytelling. Streaming and digital distribution, forms like Crunchyroll and Funimation made anime more accessible outside Japan. Dragon Ball Z, One Piece, and Death Note became household names. Diverse genres, the industry expanded beyond shonen and mecha, offering more slice of life, psychological, and fantasy series. Despite its success, anime has faced several challenges in recent years. Overproduction, too many shows are being released each season, leading to a drop in overall quality. Repetitive storylines, many anime series rely on similar tropes, making them feel less original. Industry struggles, poor working conditions, and low wages for animators have led to burnout and decreased creativity. Declining interest, while anime is still popular, some fans feel that modern series lack the same impact as past classics. Despite its struggles, anime still has the potential for a resurgence. Innovative storytelling. New creators and studios could bring fresh perspectives. Better working conditions. If the industry improves animators' conditions, quality might rise again. Continued global reach. Streaming services and collaborations with Hollywood could help anime regain its former glory. Anime has experienced both massive growth and noticeable declines. While it remains an influential form of entertainment, challenges like oversaturation and declining quality must be addressed. If the industry adapts and innovates, anime can once again reach new heights.